I know a lot of you enjoy working on home improvement projects over the summertime, so I wanted to share a list of some simple upgrades that you can do yourself. Hi, I'm Johanna Wells with Johanna Wells Real Estate. The best part of home improvement is that you can add real value to your home when it comes time to sell. Painting, walls, painting, cabinets, they maximize your return at resale by sticking with a neutral color palette that'll appeal to a broad range of buyers in today's environment. I'm looking to find colors that are calming. A nice blue-gray color evokes wellness and does quite the trick. It's trending in all model homes, in fact. Replace outdated fixtures, swap any dated light fixtures, faucets, cabinet hardware for modern and stylish alternatives. For the complete list of DIY projects, head over to my blog, which you can get down below, and feel free to message me if you have any questions or would like to schedule a free virtual consultation. I would love to help maximize your results. Give me a call and have a great day.